Alright, first one on the new jig head and Coastal Brew. Yeah, holy cow. Look at that. Looks like Coastal Brew does put up some pretty big trout, huh?
Yeah.
Golly.
Is that a keeper?
Is that a keeper?
You better watch out. Look at all that. Okay, that's way more than I thought that was. Was this your first cast?
On the first cast.
First cast.
We didn't even have the camera ready. What you got there, boy?
Redfish.
You got a fish or an oyster? Oh no. Is that a fish? Oh, it is, isn't it? Oh yeah.
Get the GoPro.
Decent redfish.
Oh, sure called it. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught him.
No, it's not. There you go. That's a keeper.
I don't want it to break it off.
Look at that.
First cast of the day and we already got a keeper?
Excellent.
Did we bring tags?
Alright, we did bring the tags. We can tag him.
But I want to eat this thing.
You want to eat him?
Yeah. Okay, let's tag him.
I don't know. We'll see. Usually, whenever you catch a fish on the first cast, it's either a really good thing or
a really bad
thing. So we're about to find out.
But as soon as it hit the bottom, I just felt a bite.
You got him?
Immediately.
That's because you're a professional angler, huh? Yeah. What you got there?
Speck.
Pretty good one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good deal. All right. Go put him in the live well.
We're just gonna tag him.
Yeah, we'll probably tag him. There he is. Oh, there he was. What's everybody fishing with? True, what you got on there?
I got a green tail with a white
1/8 ounce T3 Tackle jig head with a mystery tackle box grub, white tail, green tail.
Yeah.
I've got a 1/4 ounce T3 Tackle jig head and a, what is this? A down south lure supermodel, purple with a chartreuse tail. What you got, TJ? 1/8 ounce jig head with a matrix shad, shrimp creole.
I'm about to switch the bob and go in the back of the boat trying to catch it.
What you gonna catch? Oh man, they are out there.
They're out there? Catch a catfish, and another catfish.
There he is. Oh,
Come on.
golly.
Good. Come off, you don't got no voice still. We want Dad to lose. Because he beat us in everything like that.
Yeah, we just got out here. I've only missed a couple by now. That's all right. There's probably a couple more right there. I'll tell you. These fish really aren't fighting very hard, so it's kind of hard to tell if it's a good one or not. He's a keeper. Yep, they're up there. What is it? You want me to cast you over there?
Yeah.
Look at that. Back to back to back.
The first one escaped.
The biggest one. That's all right.
I don't know if that's
Release over 20, right?
What? I don't think that's counted as one.
Let me see.
Pro tip, just use the back of Trout's life jacket. No, stop!
See if we can go 4 for 4. You got one, Trout? No, I thought you had one.
If we would have brought a top water.
There he is. There he was. What you got on there, boy? Oh, there he was. That was a good one.
What?
I just had one. Cast it back out there.
Not so. Except for black trout, they're 400.
Fishing challenge.
Yeah. Black trout are not 400.
What are the rules?
No. So, no cheating.
No.
Definitely.
Okay. Sounds like I have to worry about you.
Alright. And definitely no copying anyone.
No copying anyone. What do you mean copying?
No using the same bait.
Not using the same baits.
It's not fair. Okay, fine.
Looks like TJ, hey, give me your, here, go help. Yeah, get the net for him. TJ, you got a speckled trout.
Really?
That's a good one. There you go.
TJ, you got a point like me. Get it in. Stop cheating.
Good job.
Me and TJ
That's a good one.
got a point. Hey, and Dad's left-handed. Don't.
That counts as TJ's point.
Yeah, I know. I said he got a point.
Oh, he got a point. Way cool. Oh, it came off.
Maybe I'll catch him for you. And it'll count as half my point after.
Pretty sure that was a redfish.
I kind of look at that.
So this is the new one we've been making. We don't have a name for it yet though. So this is a round head. This one is
Ooh, a round head. That's a good name.
3/16, so it's in between 1/8 and 1/4 ounce. And then this is the new Coastal Brew, the Purple Trader, I think is what it's called. So we'll give it a shot. Y'all just cast up there, kind of that way. Let it come back down.
This way? That way?
Yeah, just kind of like towards the front of the boat, but towards the grass.
It's the only one I
Alright. This doesn't come in a pack?
have. No.
Oh, you left the pack at home?
Yeah.
Ah,
I put it on here like 7 days ago.
7 days ago.
Yeah.
In anticipation of this fishing trip.
Yeah. Planted on it for this exact moment.
Alright, there we go. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
There you go. You got one. Reel. There you go. You get off? Nope, you still got him. There you go. There you go. What you got there, speckled trout?
Oh no.
Oh no. Alright.
Real.
Let's see what we can do. You got one, TJ? There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, Trout, you might want to reel your slack in, buddy. You're about to get tangled up with your brother.
Yeah, how many fish you caught today?
3 or 4.
How many speckled trout did you catch in a row?
3 in a row, so I think I probably might have 4. What you got there, TJ?
Oh yeah.
Is that a redfish? There you go.
Yeah, that's 3.
Good job. What do y'all got? Pokemon bet on this or something?
Yeah, I have to get rid of one of my shiny.
Oh no.
Fins. So whoever.
There he is.
If whoever loses, you have to get rid of one shiny hook. So I have 7. I'll get rid of 3.
I got a big old redfish.
I really don't want to get rid of it.
If this is a trout, it's a big one. We got to come up with a name for these new jig heads. Switch rods? What do you mean switch rods? This is my fish, boy.
I don't want to lose one of these diamonds. These are really low to hit. No one's bought that.
Come on. I don't think I'm gonna try to boat flip him.
You're losing your rope.
All right.
I'll think my door door, but that's way too small. I got another trip.
Golly.
Giant redfish.
Big old redfish.
Can you put them in the live well?
Put them in the coffin. Yeah, put them in the live well. Here, let me have this thing. Oh. Dang. They are still right there. There he is.
No! No!
I've lost count. I don't know how many people. All right, who's gonna catch one first?
On 45 plus 4. I have a 50. I have a 49. Dad has a 50, and Trout has a 1.
There he is.
Dad's at 6.
That would be me. Little bitty.
Look
All
out.
right, just wait.
Trout, you can't call off the count. Dad, Trout, call off the count. Wait, you're.
Oh no, there is no calling it off. Where's your cork at, Tritt? Now I see it. The challenge is ongoing.
Oh.
If you want to use one of those bottom rigs and throw out there behind the boat, you'll probably catch some redfish or black drum or something.
Okay. Let's see if she's gonna lose to that.
Have you already tried a bottom rig shrimp? No.
I don't have to be fat, Dad. I just need to beat y'all too. You shouldn't beat me. I just have to beat you. I don't care if I get 15 fish, but I'm gonna beat you. Me? Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to see it.
Where are we at? We haven't even told people where we're at. What's this place called? The Bayou?
Yeah, grab a lane.
Oh, no, you're not supposed to give out the name. Where are we at? What's this place called? We're at the Bayou. All right, the way that I like to hook them so they don't come off is back here. A lot of people hook them in the horn because the fish like to go face first, right? But that's how I do it. We catch a few fish like this anyways.
It's flying.
Yep, it's a big old shrimp. You got one, TJ. All right, stop, stop, stop. You got him? Oh, you got him. There you go. There you go.
I think this is 4.
That's a big fish.
Oh. Dad, can you have...
What you got?
Hey, Trent, what you catching?
You got a sheephead.
I do?
Look at that.
Hey, Trent, look at this.
There you go.
Trent, I just want sheephead. Dad, did you choose that the Eagles? The Chiefs were gonna play the Eagles.
There he goes. Another redfish. Oh, he came. Nope, he didn't come off. Still got him.
What do you think is so far is the best NFL game of the year?
You got one?
Yep. Oh, no. What do you think the best NFL game of the year is, Dada?
Best one of the year so far. Oh, definitely whenever Jameis Winston beat the Steelers. No doubt.
Got one.
What you got?
Okay, so aha, catch you got 2. I've got 4. I think I've got a sheephead.
Think you got a sheephead? I bet it's a catfish. I bet it's -1 points. No, let's see what you got. I think it's a redfish. Yep.
Smaller and it can break the line.
Here, hold your rod. Alright, this one. Did you catch this one on a live bait jig head?
Yeah. I thought you were about to grab one of my snacks. I was about to be like, hey, you better get your hands off of that. Oh, look.
We'll tag and release him. What in the world is going on? What you got, Trout?
Yeah.
White trout or speckled trout? Little speck. Good job.
Go check your redfish.
Woo! Look at that. What is this, redfish number?
8,465.
Pretty good bit.
TJ, you only have 5 points. Yeah, we have 4. At least you're on the edge of losing 1 point ahead of me.
Alright.
Not very far.
Let's try some big baits.
Well, you know how many times in the NFL this season the teams have won?
Alright. This one's Down South Lures Color X. I think this is one of those days where it might not really matter though. There it was. He hit it and came right to the boat. Oh, there he goes.
Didn't hit the boat, nothing down.
Ah, you got one, Trout?
Yep, I got one.
What you got? You probably got a big old redfish.
Come on, redfish, snap off the line. No, whoa.
We don't want to do that. You got a big old sheephead. Look at that. Hey, TJ, get that net for him. Yep, go help him out.
We're trying to get him.
There you go. Good job. Look at that. One-handed. You do it all, TJ. You know that?
Yeah,
Yeah, hang on. Oh, we throwing back all the redfish and trout and keeping the sheephead? Oop, careful. There you go, TJ. Really? Do what? What you got? Speckled trout? Oh, wow.
That's never gonna happen again.
There you go. You got him that time. That's a good one. There you go. Good job, through it. Oh, maybe not that good. That's a good trout. There you go. You got him that time. That's a good one. There you go. Good job, through it. Oh, maybe not that good. That's a good trout.
Yeah.
What you got there?
Speck.
Give him the boat. Pretty good one. You think it's 15? Should be about 4:30. We got here at about, we got to the boat launch at about 2:30. No, about 3 o'clock. Yeah, we've only been fishing for less than 2 hours.
But other than that, I highly doubt I'm gonna ever do that.
Is this a
Have
fish? Haha!
one? Oh, father,
Look at that.
that's a big one.
It's a good
Out of
one.
my eye. Feel my tongue.
All right, open up the cooler.
That'd be earlier.
Coastal Brew.
Coastal Brew?
I think it's mainly the jig head though. The jig head's probably what did it.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Then they make no sense with the brew. You take out the other thing that is that. I'll get the next settle.
All right, last cast. Nah, last cast. Hey TJ, will you zip up my tackle box?
Yeah. Is that only what fishing with the girls in Fort Bayou? Dad said last cast like 15 times. I don't know why.
So we were catching those bass.
He caught only 2 bass.
They were good ones though.
Yeah.
What you mean only?
What? Sun and moon.
All right. That's it, boys. That's a wrap.